Them could have thrown garbage in front of my face as I tell them tired. Them could have twist up the sign up the so tell them can't twist them no more. It's one thing I know. This is where I am going to make my living. And no cockroach, no rat. Boss! Now get me out here. Sir! But some strange things happening at this place. Sir! What? Junior, is what you want.
No, Master Oliver. I'm glad you want me to shop here now.
Thanks.
Them people around here not like you. Them don't have the time for somebody my age. When I come from school, I have nobody to talk to or to play with. Someone suck and two time with ball.
You know me the things that you come to buy out the whole shop, Junior. Anyway, me don't have any socks, okay, yeah? But you can get the 2 tambourine ball. Come, sit here. I don't care whether they stop them at all or I play them at play. What I want to know is who I mess up me shop.
Mother would have said, yea, though I walk through the shadow, I will fear not.
What do you want, Junior?
What she did say again? Oh yes, remember. Big Jilla aisle, 2 pound of chicken, and half a hardware bread.
Them said the devil will quote scripture, but you too young for that. Mind you mix up your brains and the other. Come give me the aisle buckle. Come. Alright, this. You see, you look up face, you have a little mus, right?
Master Oliver.
Eh?
Me know is who not have a shop front in a son.
Is who? Because you see, if I catch that culprit, I make him know which God he must serve. Is who? Tell me.
Give me 2 tambourine ball and we'll
Keep your secret. And when you're done, you talk about him, me and you his friend.
Master Oliver.
Eh?
You meanie.
Come back here. Come back here, Jesse Junior.
A little joke now, mate. And even if we didn't know, it's not everything meant to talk just so. The fool consider not the consequence of his action.
But you look like biggish story, Junior. You might have a holy for saying. Come, take the things then. Go on now. And pay me. You never did go pay me, Junior. But the money, come man, let me see. Still tambourine ball. The exact. Tell your mother say me don't have any bread, you hear? Go on now.
Greetings on this bright and glorious day. Let us give thanks for all those gifts that are to be bestowed upon us. Repentance, forgiveness, and absolution for one and all. Service, please. Sister Divine is my name, and preaching is my game.
Oliver, he's a mad woman.
Junior, take them across the street and mind you throw your mama aisle.
Find that funny, Master Oliver. When I was that age, such insolence would be curbed quickly. Indiscipline in the home and the young cause ruin and destruction in the towns and nations of this world. You must bend the tree when it is small, not when it is fully grown.
Sister D, what you want? Why you calling down judgment on the young sheep? You like a nice sick boy, you know.
Young criminal. Like father, like son. Prison bud.
Done with that. The father might have him little problems, but Junior is a bright, decent little young fella. Oh.
The truth is the truth, Master Oliver. It's true the mother is your customers.
All my customers, them is very decent, excepting a few who I could mention.
And I am going to pray for them so that they return to the straight and narrow.
Yes, pray for all of we. And in the process, you send up a special liquor prayer for yourself. Then so charity begins at home, but I am sure nobody would mind if you were begin on the street.
You know, it's a long time we need a grocery in this place, you know.
Thank you, ma'am. No.
You're certainly a saving grace.
Thanks again. But,
I had the whole heap of club and bar them, man.
Sister D, what you want?
You know, this grocery full of everything. All the provisions and groceries to keep the body whole.
Miss her where you want.
Crass! I want to use your shop to purchase my groceries for the week.
To serve you is my pleasure. What is it you want?
Oh, it is all here on this list. I prepare it myself.
You can get two of this. Me not have none of that. Me have this. Wait. Tell me something. You have a whole heap of dog in your yard. So, what you want to do it with 10 pound of cornmeal?
Porridge. I drink a lot of porridge, you know? Strengthen the body and cleanse the system.
Well, you must have a very extensive system to clean if you need so much cornmeal. Because this structure look alright.
So you don't drink some porridge sometime too?
A little, yes. Because me here say it good for the complexion. But me not take it as medicine. And let me ask you one question. If it's you alone live and you drink so much cornmeal porridge for the week, how comes you ordering so much something?
Can you supply me with the groceries I require? I did not come here to discuss my daily diet.
To serve you is my pleasure, man. This is going to be my biggest sale for the day. But 10 pound of cornmeal? Oliver, mind your own business. Sister D, it will be my greatest pleasure to serve you the things that you require.
Mas Oliver,
Yes.
between me and you and the maker,
Oh, yes.
I would require
Yes.
that due to a temporary imbalance in my cash flow, I would ask that you consider a slight deferment of the payment schedule.
You're really mad for you. No credit, no trust in the shop. It is the cardinal rule of Oliver's once.
Mas Oliver, I just have a few US dollars that I get from my son in foreign.
US dollars? Well, I really don't take foreign exchange here, but money is money, so give it to me all the same now.
Well, I'm not really getting it so till month end.
Well, you're really not getting me goods till month end.
You mean you don't make me starve for the rest of the month? It's only my son a foreign me have a look after me, you know. Me remember say me not have no husband.
What is from poor me doing? You no have no husband? Well, me dear, me not really married. But me wouldn't say me no have no wife. Because me have fear and Marie and all of the responsibility to take care of. Look, you know, why you don't try some food stamp?
A strong-hearted woman like me, Mas Oliver, I have my pride, you know. That is sinking down into the depths of degradation. And I rather starve.
Well, you ever hear the saying? Pride goeth before a fall. And when hungry take part to be the bud shot fitting. You know, I don't understand you, Sister D. As a virtual stranger, you think I would enter into your habitation and beg your sugar and salt? Sister D, you takes me aback. You's hell brass. You're shining more than the Beelzebub.
I never know you was a son of Satan. You're just like Big Sally down the bar. The epitome of greed, avariciousness, and rapaciousness. Mas Oliver. cannot set forth his people in the streets.
How what is for me, do, Sister D?
It's me run things. Yes. Miss Green dead and left this premises to me. Yes. And when she did sick, and me used to nurse her.
Yes, sir.
It's who cook busy tea gear every day.
Now you, Miss Sally.
And when the three gunman them come, it's who buck them down when everybody else is coming. And it's who want to go to basic school, through to primary school, through to big school.
You, Miss Sally.
Now you focus up, Sally.
It's profit to make, it's who to make it. You so let me show them how big Sally run things.
When I hear the name of Lucifer, there is fire and brimstone in the street.
It's who you call Satan picnic.
Don't come near me.
Come back here when I get to squeeze out the two backless one and we're just from me the other day.
Okay, Sally.
Now you. Is you name Mr. Alibasa?
Yes, me is me. And I want to know why you bring the disturbance come to me shop.
Is you run this business, sir?
I'm trying to. What happened? It causing you a problem?
Yes.
It look like say one business is not enough for you. Or that you is bullbuck and up a conqueror. Well, let me tell you one thing, I say, lady. You're barking up the wrong tree. You're tangling with the wrong customer. So me I beg you take your little koro them and come out of the place before me get mad in ya.
You don't know me. Because me remember you. And there doesn't seem to be very much improvement in 20 years. Look at my face, good.
Trying, but it's a heavy load. Me no know that the face or anything near to it. Now what is it that you want? Because me is very busy.
Me! His big Sally.
Well, the name certainly don't fit the structure.
Me run the bar down the road. How we come to mash down this business. Mash it down. Mash it down.
Wash it down. Wash it
Say
down.
that again. Can't be no hear you.
We come to lock up the shop.
Lock up.
Lock down who for shop? Woman, your mother what? Your name rat butter what?
Nobody. Me say nobody want no business on this road unless I get permission from me.
You never know.
You sure is your mouth you're talking out of? Permission for what? Permission from who?
Permission from
Sally.
me. It's me control this area. The street, the premises, the police and the military.
Tell him, Sally.
And you seem to have a lot to go around.
Lock down the shop.
Lock it down for what? Lock it down after me no commit no crime.
Two business cannot work in this community. The community is too small for two business. We cannot take too much competition from no outsider.
You know, oh no, it's mad. It's so mad people that write you so.
Yes, Sister D.
You not lock down the shop.
I hear the voice of Lucifer.
You shut your mouth before I come out and the shop.
Don't get violent with me. I would not lift a finger to hurt you. I am on the streets of righteousness. I find my rest in the bosom of charity. I fear no demons.
How you call this?
Get thee behind me,
Satan is in front of you.
She look in the corner.
Come. Stop it. Oh no, stop it right now. Because it's just a little misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? So you don't take me serious? So let me show him. We will mash up everything inside here.
Oh no, come, man. Oh no, come. Someone put her that say me not drown, no. Nothing no afraid of, no. Me not afraid of, no.
We're not afraid of you.
What is commotion for?
Officer, arrest this woman at once.
Arrest you, you know the law. You know your rights, sir, you know.
What where you come from? What is that worship policeman you come from?
Officer, arrest the woman.
Master Oliver. Come in at waters, come in at once. I'm afraid that people at animals can't stop acting most violently. This is Corporal Zach.
What is this? Is this a fish market or a grocery shop?
Fear.
Fear.
What you doing here? And you know she?
Fear is what you're doing here. You know him?
It's me gentleman.
Sally, why you want to mash up my shop? Why, Fear? You don't like noise what I've gone here, you know.
Come. Go drink some water and calm your nerves. Well, it seems I don't need it here anymore. So I'm going to be on the way. Master Oliver, if them cause any more trouble, you just call me.
All right, officer.
I'll be able to send.
Yes, sir.
It's alright, no go on, wait for me outside.
It's go on here. Oh, no go on.
It feels a long time to see you now.
Is you hiding from me? It seems everybody hiding from me. So, are you passing them that?
I try to see if you sit down and talk to you differently. But just live down the road, you know.
We know exactly where you is.
Yeah? Well, come check me now. Come check me.
Alright.
Alright, everybody, you can't go on home now.
So you're keeping prayer meeting in my shop?
Aye, Fear, this is Sister Dinah.
Master Oliver,
Yes.
I will come back and talk to you about that little thing later on. You see?
Okay then, Sister Dinah. Fear, what you doing here? And how comes you know Big Sally? Fear, you got a lot of explaining to do.
I come to take over what is rightfully mine. You included.
Oh, what can I get you, darling?
One chicken.
Me not have any small chicken here. It's only big ones them me got. Oh, what a cross, double 3.5 pound. Down for me. Everywhere me go, double tap for me. I'm a $35 for this chicken. Everywhere me go, Maka juke me. Thank you for your patronage, darling. Oh, what a
Is this the shop you're buying?
Yes, Mama, yes, Mama.
And who sell you?
Yes, Mama, yes, Mama.
Oh, what a cross, Dumbledore.
Alright, come home. I'm going to bring my slippers under the bed. Come with me.
Now, what can I get for you, ma'am?
Is you serve me like a boy, sir?
What he didn't get is what he never asked.
So if you didn't have any fresh bread, why you didn't tell him? Instead you sell him this old tough sentence.
Bread, ma'am? Looking at my glass case, I don't see bread van from morning.
Then is what is.
It look like bread. Half a bread to be exact. But this I look like 1 week old.
It look like you come here for come poison off me and my picnic.
Lady, I said the bread didn't bought here. It never bought here.
So you call me picnic a liar?
Lion or no lion, the bread did not bought here. Ah, Sister D, you was here this morning when the little boy come to buy the things. You didn't see me sell him any bread, ma'am?
To tell the truth, Master Oliver, cockroach don't business in foul.
Talk it up before I chop you with this tough bread.
This time it would be injury with intent.
Sister D, did I sold the boy any bread?
Master Oliver, you know I'm a child of
Cut
God.
the sermon and answer the question. You didn't when him sell him the bread?
As I was saying, Master Oliver, you
Sister
know...
D, you don't want the little credit?
It's true. Master Oliver never sell the little boy any bread.
Ah, there you are, ma'am.
Him say him never get back no change.
He must take the change and buy tambourine ball.
Stop it, because you don't have no pay.
Sister, do you know? How you tell me say all the children them is in foreign?
But Master Oliver, of course I have children. My big boy is in America, my daughter is in Canada, and the youngest boy is in England.
And 2 is in university doing engineer, and 2 daughters in Miami doing nursing. Hey! Master Oliver, if you follow this woman, you say, she make you believe she have a dozen pitney.
Seriously, pass your mama.
I want a man on the mash down my shop. Come, Junior.
Junior, where you buy the bread? And when me change?
Do mama, wait till you catch a yard.
Go on! The fool consider not the consequence of his action. Make a reach home before you. Yesterday.
These people are going to kill me, you know. Yes, Sister D.
What about that soft credit?
Oh, that soft credit. Well, it freeze.
Today is the day I want to know where I stand.
You standing in my shop?
You're joking. Me say it's either me or Marie. Which one?
Here, make you so unconscionable.
Unconscionable? Oh, so it's free ride.
What you mean?
What me mean? Me say you have to pay me for all my time me waste with you.
But you going on as though me employ you.
I'm going to make you an example to all man that fool up woman, you know. Where you take me from? Konomono? Listen to me now. Even if me was Konomono, me not Konomono for you.
Frida, keep your voice at a human level.
Me want 50% of the business.
50%? You mad? Is Mary give me money to build this business here?
I'm going to make you an example to all man who fool up woman. In life, don't bite off more than you can swallow. There is no free ride. Tell me something.
Sell me 2 pounds of rice and a pound of flour.
I beg you just put on the crate this for me.
Wait, what happened, Sally? Are you that?
Me see one for.
What going on?
So me just bring a crate of drinks here for the party later.
Thank you, man.
This is when me see him this morning. Is him there?
I'm round at the back. I look after some things for the party.
This is when me see you this morning, Faye. Me feel like my heart was going to drop out.
All our way of crosses, Sally. Some bigger than some. But I tell you, it look like mine is the biggest.
Why, me understand exactly what you mean, Faye. This is where you find him.
I know me find him. It's him find me. But him a skid.
Yeah? You want me to discipline him for you?
He's all right. I have him right where I want him.
What life funny though, eh? Man a right and God a wife. So you find it funny? It's a long time I try to set up a grocery shop to add to the bar, you know. Everything in place. And perhaps new business come up now. But you see if I never did all you, Faye. You see if I never did all you.
Listen now, I feel my business this, you know. So nobody mash it up.
Shame on you, man. I couldn't do that. I'm here, a big friend from long time.
Sally, you know say, it look like the one Oliver want me as a mother woman. And it now go work, you know. It now go work.
Okay. So is who she?
The one chick named Marie. So.
Marie. Don't make them harass you, man, you know. You see all me know, Faye? You see all me know? Me just make sure so me set up myself a certain way so that no man can test, you know. You see all my bar and my house and my satellite dish and all the furnishings in my house. And me one and God work and sweat for them, you know. That's why me always show you, you know. set up yourself, fear. No make the man come harass you. No make the man come take you for a ride. But no, man. You know like that. What you see how me now? And you see all of this? Me just view this as a temporary setback. What's you?
What you mean?
Never mind. Woman tongue can get very light at times. All right, let's stop the music. Stop the music. We can't just jollificate, so we have to say a few words of welcome to Master Oliver.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you, no.
yes.
Shut up your mouth too much, Sally. Sure.
Where you go for your bar, Sally?
I lock up the bar today.
Oh, yes.
This is Mr. Oliver's day.
Yes,
Alright.
yes.
All right?
So somebody give us...
What? Me? No, me love you. Me I go serve. You see, somebody give us speech.
You will talk. Master Oliver.
Yes, sir.
Good luck, sir.
Thank.
What are they talking and talk, man?
True, man.
Give me a rum. Let me loosen my tongue.
That's all you don't care about, you no belly.
Empty bag can't stand up.
All right, come on. Marcia, one piece soup.
The soup round there, sir.
Then man, advertise soup. Yes, man. Look at the soup, come man.
You hear them? You sound like one of the ones that do us an Epsom.
Here, one more help Sally serve. Yes, man. Make it think go on nice, man. At this day, we come to celebrate, man.
The soup smell nice, Master, you cook?
What a whole heap of soup.
It's managed water, them we like it. Them no use nothing free, you know.
I like.
Because $20 for go dance down the lane. And them have to buy them food and them drinks separate.
Right, Marcia.
All right, you know, give a speech now, man. So.
Quiet. I would like to say something. Hold on for the speech, there, brother. Hold on for the speech. Look here.
No master boy.
Look what I find up the step. This boy. This little something here. Bought him a drink beer.
And I know.
And he's not even bigger than the beer back when we have an eye. One eye man and 2 empty hand foot.
Junior, what you doing here?
Nothing, Mama.
You eat your dinner yet?
Who's pluck?
Hi, come, Junior, come. Leave the little boy alone, Marcia, man. Plenty food is here. Go and serve out a big plate of curry goat again. Junior, you want soup?
No. It's a thump the boy want.
No, don't stump him. Spare him. Next thing you top the little boy and handicap him.
Come.
Give him the food, man.
Come take this food from me.
Go on.
Take this piece of paper, cover it up so that fly no pitch.
Come, Junior. And you know, go on over here, see Junior. Cover it up. And go on over now. And go eat. Left the little boy, no Marcia. So.
Pass some white over here.
No white stone, they have wrong pot.
In the part of this. Pass some white, man.
Beggars are no choosers.
I don't have beer, no beer, no die, you know. No beer, no die.
Them know you see a wrong pot.
Let me know you have here.
Look out, no man, no drunk off coffee, you know. Because he's bound to arrest somebody today.
Come, get in at the music.
He been up on duty tonight, man. I don't know if him arrest me. Back foot! Look who I come!
Jesus, Savior, pilot.
What a piloting that will be. With all the dressing pants up it.
Please, wanna leave Sister D.
You didn't invite her?
Well, you know, Sister D says she don't like to come to these worldly and things.
So it's what bring you here, my love?
Hello. What the girl man for?
Is it free food bring you here, or is this your time?
No, I was just on the so I thought I'd just come and pay the respect. So Sister Dinah is the Biblist. It's a little base not carrying so that Master Oliver can put anything that leave over here. No, not for me, you know, not for me. For those who couldn't get to come.
Sister D, don't make these people turn into no liar here. We have a whole heap of curry go down there, so come, we go, make me share out something here, yeah, man.
In here.
Yeah, help Sister D. Help Sister D. Hi, Sally.
Yes, ma'am.
Come and make me a drink, man.
And give Sister Dinah one too.
Of course. Cheers. Let me drink to Mark Oliver and the shop.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And listen up, I would like to give a little speech. I am very sorry that two people is not here to share with me this evening. One is Marie, a very special friend. And the other one is Matthew, a friend nonetheless. Oh, if Matthew could see me now. Cheers!
Order! Thank you. Master Oliver, I am very proud that you chose this community to establish.
Oh yes, thank you.
I bet that you couldn't find.
Oh no, not at all.
The people here are friendly, law-abiding, and honest.
Yes.
But leave me out to inform you.
That the person who left you that shop is not the owner. And the rightful owner served notice for you to vacate the place with immediate effect. Sorry, Master Oliver.
Is what I do you. Make you test me so.
I am not interested, Lucretia. Not interested.
But you didn't even examine this.
Drapers, I got discipline, you know. Discipline, Mr. Draper. Yes.
Let me tell you something, Lucretia. I am not
correct.
Calm down, Drapers. Don't let your blood start conglomerating.
If you don't put back that
Discipline, my Draper. Yes. War. Oh yes. Man, fi handle them woman, man.
If you were not so reprehensibly countrified, you would appreciate my knowledge of architecture. Without
No
the
one
need to
man
harm
no
you
let
for
me
incest
my local show them, you know who a call me now.
him going down.
It's who it is.
What's going on?
Mrs. Upton,
Who?
the kidnappers come back.
Worse than that, Miss Bob.
Couch.
What could be worse?
Wrong address, not couch, no live here.
Intellectual capacity.
Oh, Dad. All right.
Just a minute.
Excuse me.
Don't move, Miss Boggs. Hold it right there until I come.
Mrs.
Sure. Excuse me, sir. Mas Oliver said to tell you that him is disposable, but needs to take a matching.
Tell him that I'm from Star Time Productions. And he's been casted in a role.
Aye, Miss Oliver.
Me did know, man.
Yes, no, sir.
Look, put on your clothes, right? Because we have to go somewhere. No.
Just a minute, sir. We're going inside. Because I don't want grudgeful people. Oh no, I'm not business. Come, sir. Nicest news this me here, you know.
Okay, now.
Just a minute. first things first. What is your name?
Frederick Anthony Robert Tibbles. But you can call me Festus. All right, now put on your clothes.
Is where we going?
We're going to rehearse.
Rehearse for what?
Why you ask so much question? Put on your clothes.
I want to know where we're going.
You don't interrogate people, eh? Get dressed.
But I'm not moving 1 inch until I know where I'm going and why.
We are going to rehearse.
Rehearse for what?
We're going into films.
Films? Like movies?
Yes, man. Hurry up. Time is money.
Tell me more.
We're going to be movie stars.
I don't believe it.
You remember Dasa?
If I remember Dasa, how could I forget Dasa? Dasa not the big foot muscular woman who used to drive the back over Mr. Brown.
You remember Dasa?
The first time they introduced her to me, you see, and she shake my hand. I nearly wet up myself. With the drinks me did have in my hand.
Well, she work at one advertising agency downtown.
Me know. Me not see her drive past me there in one heavy duty equipment truck.
Well, as she send it to you.
Oh, so you is not no talent scout. I know your face, you know. You is a messenger.
Well, yes. They might do this ad and they want 2 male actors. So she recommend you and me.
Ad? What me thinking it said was a movies?
Which part you think you there? Hollywood?
You just come excite up people so with your foolishness about movies doing. And it's only like a television commercial.
Only a television commercial? You go on like you did ever on TV.
Of course me come on TV. One time one minivan did crash down a 4-show road and me go look and television camera come down there and take me and me see myself on the news.
How you think them the actor they get them big break?
On TV?
On TV.
Anyway, I don't think so that the commercial is very important if them allow for them truck driver to recommend weed.
Oh, you chat so? Come on, no man.
So, we have to go to audition.
Audition? For what?
So that them can test if we see if we have talent.
You don't seem to understand. We get the part already.
That sounds funny to me.
That's arrange everything. All we need to do is to rehearse.
Well, Anna, so me know it go.
How you chat so?
Because me know what me talking about. To get a particular role, them have to know your psychological and physiological characteristics.
All right, Steve the Springbud. I will tell that as you say thanks, but no thanks.
Wait, hold on, wait. Come here. It's not so that me don't like the part and me don't want it, you know. It's just that it just feels strange to me.
You want the role or you don't want the role?
What is the role?
What you mean?
What part I playing? What is me character?
Who you think you is? Al Pacino?
No. Then you say, I know what I doing, you know. I know about these things. And if you come to my, let me tell you something, you see, first. Galang your yard, you know. Guan your yard.
Look, man, you see, what matter is the part you're playing. You understand? And the kind of opportunities that go open up for we. Look, can you imagine the walk going to the place? And you go get your Grammy Award performance.
Academy.
Oh, Jesus, man. Imagine the kind of opportunities we are going to get.
Well, you could have a pint there. This advertisement is for what?
Me no know. Me no business. Just come make we go rehearse.
Tell me something. Where is the rehearsal?
I'm in yard.
Your yard. Hold on. So your yard turn TV studio now?
No, man, not like that. It's just a place where we go, man, we can just catch real little practice.
So how we going to go practice and we don't know what part we play?
You know, remember when you used to learn to drive? Don't you used to go stadium car park? You couldn't go anywhere else?
No.
But after you get your license, no. Don't you could have drive anywhere?
Yes.
Then not the same situation may I try to show you. The minute you get in your local practice, you can't hack anyway.
You know, when I was at school, I hack in a play. The cow jump over the moon.
Yes.
I was the cow.
I can't bet how it fit the part. Anyway, put on your clothes, time ago.
Aye, Festus, tell me something, you see. This commercial, it pay well?
Everything you do, you have to ask about money. You can't even think about the potential career this could have for you.
How much money me get in?
$600.
That no sound bad.
See 2 hours. Come on, time ago. Put on your clothes, man. Move it, man.
Aye, it's what you have in that bag there.
Literatures, written material.
For what?
For rehearse with, plays and thing.
You have the cow jump over the moon?
No, man. Me have A Midsummer Night's Dream, Hamlet, and The Miser.
What those?
Literature, classics written by the masters like Shakespeare and Malieri and them people there.
Malieri? That sound like one of them diseases where mosquitoes have.
Me no say malaria, me say Malieri. Listen to this. I know a bank where the wild thyme blows, where the oxlips and nodding violets grows.
Oxlips? From pipe cock to pipe rooster. From cow's lips to ox lips.
Oxlips is a flower. Hey, you read something out there. Read that. Let me hear you sound.
What thou sayest when thou awakest, take it for thy true love's sake. Look here now, Festus, you not got nothing right in English.
Then this not English, Shakespeare English.
Well, I go hope the role we playing is in Jamaican English.
Look man, you have to be versatile if you want to make it big. Acting at any language. Come on, time ago, let's go.
All right. What thou seest when thou dost awakest is not meest.
Is everything ready? Pinnock, is everybody ready?
Just a minute.
Just a minute. Listen to me. This shebang is costing me $10,000 an hour. That is $166.66 per minute. I don't have a minute. I cannot afford a minute. Basil, these lights adjusted. Is everything ready?
1 minute.
Another minute. That's $166.66. We're not going to have me bankrupt. Listen to me. You adjusted the color on these cameras.
Everything all right, sir.
Good, good. Brenda! Where is Brenda? Where is Brenda with all the props, man?
Just leave them from yesterday.
All right, good, good. Now let's have your attention, please, everybody. Attention! Quiet! I said quiet, please! Oxman. Good. Now, I just want to tell you that this is basically a very simple, everyday, 30-second dog food commercial. Makeup? Come in. Thank you, my love. Monica, take some still photographs of the set or something. Don't just stand there, please, please. All right, as I was saying, this is a simple, everyday, 30-second dog food commercial. So let's keep it that way. Simple. Good. Now, where are the dogs? I said, where are the stupid dogs?
Are you in my talk?
No,
Shy dog. Did you two dogs just understand what I said?
Me not answering it to you. Because me not think about it.
it's all right, man. Just cooperate. After this, you'll be $600 extra.
Butch.
Are you that?
No, sir, most you.
Butch is the bulldog. That's you. And Mitch is the mongrel. That's you. Now, Butch.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You ever hear a dog say, yes, sir? Get into character, man. Say, bow. All right, Mitch, are you fidgeting?
Him no must have dog flea.
Now, Butch, listen. You are the top dog. You are the star. Now, the plot is very, very, very simple. You, Butch, are in front of your kennel eating the inferior dog food. When Mitch, come over here. You enter from over here and you bully Butch and take away his food. All right? Now, the next day, Butch is eating blow-wow dog food. And Mitch comes in again. He tries to bully Butch, but Butch is not having any of this. And he beats up Mitch, and Mitch runs off with his tail between his legs. All right? Good. Let's go, everybody.
All right, sir.
Excuse me. May I make a suggestion?
What, Mitch?
I don't like the part where Butch beat up Mitch. And I
think Mitch is a good plot. I like it.
Mitch, we are not paying you $1,000 each to think. We're paying you to be dogs.
$1,000 each?
It's all right, man. Forget it.
Come here, Mr. Mitch. I have to talk to you. No, listen.
Are there any more questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, Butch.
We have any lines in the script?
Lines?
You stupidity. What kind of line dog can have?
I'm not talking to you. I will deal with you later. Now, excuse me, Mr. Manager.
Director.
Oh, yes. Excuse me, Mr. Director. But we're going to get some time for rehearsal, sir.
Butch would like to have some rehearsals at $166.66 a minute.
Yeah, Chucky, why not that feel for rehearse?
Shut your mouth. I'm not talking to you, mongrel.
It's all right, yeah, Mr. Director. We're going to go right tonight for you.
All right, positions, please, everybody. Now, this is a walkthrough, but the camera will be running. All right, so good. Positions.
Where me must go?
You'll be down here by the kennel, and you'll be eating the dog. Cecil, where is the inferior dog food, man?
Here.
All right, good. Now, Butch, you're going to be eating this inferior dog food. Oh, Patrick, I hate this script. This script is terrible, man! All right, come, positions. Down on all fours, Butch.
You ever see a dog on 2 foot yet?
Uncle you.
Down, Butch. All right, now. Eat dog food. Ignore the cameras. Just eat up. Go. No, man. I need to hear sounds.
Sounds? After me not get no script. What kind of sound you want?
Slurping sounds, man.
You know how dogs sound when they might eat?
After me never done with no dog yet.
Concentrate. Come, let's go.
Just eat normal. Eat up, Butch. Perfect dog. What you tear now?
All right, concentrate.
Bring a big man like me to come star as dog. You will tell this done.
If you can't star us, you know can't star us, dog.
Try again, Butch. Come, try again. Keep in character.
That's it, keep in character. You look like Lassie.
You want to see, I win. You see,
Please. At $166.66, please try and concentrate.
But you're not going to stop and I'm here, sir.
Behave yourself, please.
What's wrong with you, man? You can't have. How did the car come down here for?
All right, listen. We're going to go for a take. This is Blow Wow dog food commercial. Take 1 and action. Cut! These amateurs! Mitch, listen to me. You're coming up to another dog in a threatening manner. Oh man, I need professionals!
Suppose no that macho dog.
The commercial does not call for a macho dog, it called for an aggressive dog.
Holy idiot. Macho dog. What's your dog? Yeah, look.
Not you. Lassie.
Me a pedigree, me no mongrel. Aggressive. Okay? Now let's do it again. Positions, please. Blow dog food commercial. 2, take 1, 2, and action. Cut!
What no?
Butch,
No, man.
you are eating your dog food, and another dog comes up to you in a threatening manner. What would you do?
I don't know, you know, sir, because it's the first time I'm going to eat dog food. It's not something that I do regular.
Bro, Snarl, get into the role, man.
Growl. Snarl.
But I want
Master, you sound like when in sun dog.
But after you now do better.
Please, just the two of you. Will you just growl and snarl? 1, and action. Blow dog food commercial. Take 51. Action.
Yes, Mr. Macho. It's long time I've been waiting for this moment. Take that. Every day you come over here and I bully me over me food. It's like,
Keep in character. Keep in character. Dog noises, dog sounds.
You know you're director, so you feel caught.
I cut you too.
Why?
And that's how I go.
Why?
Come over here early in the morning.
Why?
I come from this before your life.
It's alright. Take the dog food. Me no matter what you get. You can't have me, me no want.
You come from
Dog sounds. Dog sounds.
if you reach Shakespeare world here.
Me never read it.
I want to know. What? You know me. Me will kill you no.
Keep in character, man. Keep
Yes,
in
man.
character.
I'm about to. Me a go star as that.
Poor dog sounds.
You know why I thought famous like Michael Jackson monkey for me? Why?
How much money them a pay you? You remember? Say them a pay you $600 and a $2,000 again.
Why?
You're thieving wretch.
No.
How will you not try to do?
Me not going to
You rob me. I rob you, I rob
Me
me.
not going to invest it for you.
Invest if you. Invest in our. In our.
One nice skinhead.
Fantastic. More dog sounds.
Take it. No. I not say you feel bad. You feel say roof. Say roof.
Yes, that's it.
Yes, man.
Go on.
No, you go get the academy hour.
Oh, yes.
You want to see I kill you?
No.
Yeah. Go down.
Why?
Where you go? Where you go? You want to see
No, don't bite me, Annie, don't bite me. Why? Don't bite me. Why?
blow out dog food. Like a dog.
Cut! Oh, that was fantastic! Oh, that was fantastic! That was better even than the real script. Have you done this kind of thing before?
Well, one time I play one cow.
Oh, really? That's marvelous. This was so fantastic. Listen, what we're going to do is we'll cut out all of the voices and we'll just replace them with dog sounds.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
Marvelous. Listen, come, let me buy you a drink.
Hello. They would never like me. Whenever somebody just sit down and just take all and lick them. Whenever somebody just lie down, so.
Have lion heart, Feeling love of lion heart, strong and everlasting, only for you.
Oliver!
Is who it is.
Festus!
What is it you want? You have appointment? Is you alone out there?
Yes, man.
You're sure?
Who else could be out here?
Me fans. All right, I come in. Though we part and never meet again. Though we part and never meet again. Boy, me I tell you something, you see, man. Ever since the commercial started to show up on TV, I can't walk in peace on the street, you know. If me no mind sharp, they mob me.
That's the life of a celebrity.
Me I tell you, that commercial is a real favorite, you know. A big hit. Me really have to say thanks to you all the same because from me born is the first time anybody ever did anything for me.
So, how come nobody now see me? How come nobody now mob me? And I did 2 hours with it in there.
It's so the movie world come master. I am the star. You is just a little supporting dog. La 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 la. Da da dee da.
How the place so neat and clean.
I am expecting company.
So what the letter you for?
Well, some of those is from my fans, and some is from people who want me to do commercial for them.
The 2 hours?
No, just me.
If you know offers you like?
Not really. Me not particularly interested in none of them there. Me waiting for the right opportunity.
Dear Mr. Adams, we would like you to endorse a flea powder for dogs. That's a good one. Would you be interested in playing a minor role as a security dog for a documentary? We would like you to endorse a deworming tablet for dogs.
This is not your concern. You're too inquisitive.
What a so-so dog offer you get?
So far, but there's much more to come.
Well, me glad say me never impress nobody. Because mother never go back in one of the dog commercial again.
Me a wait for my rightful time. This is just a start.
Oliver the Star, dog. You be the biggest thing since Lassie.
Laugh all you want, man. Laugh all you want. But what you don't know is that this commercial open up a whole heap of opportunities for me.
Oh, yeah? Like what?
You remember Mrs. Jones, the lady that live up the hill?
The one with the 2 bends?
Right.
And the daughter with the enter Miss Jamaica?
That's correct. Well, she come down here, come check me yesterday.
What? Come off of the hill, come down yesterday and I get her to you?
It did shock me too.
So what she want?
Well, you know, she said a family member see the commercial on TV and fall suddenly in love with me and is dying to meet me.
You lie!
Dead serious. And she bringing her down here today.
I wonder is who?
Common sense, Festus. Common sense. How much of them live up there?
3 of them. The husband, the wife, and the daughter, Sophie.
Well, it's not the wife because it's she come down here come tell me. And it just couldn't be the husband.
Sophie?
Well, you're bright.
Oliver, you gone clear me, boy. What a nice piece of girl.
Nice, you see. The girl sweet, not a wet sugar. Tell you, man. Wait. Is that car that?
Yes. What Benz?
It's them. You see her?
Mrs. Jones come out of the car.
She alone?
No, wait. A two of them.
And she? What she wearing?
A fur coat.
Festus, you think me look formal enough?
Yes, man. But I know Sophie.
I know Sophie. I know Sophie.
No.
No. Then it's who?
Well, he never do about man.
Nah.